What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vehicle cameras on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is THINKWARE Dual Dash Cam. The THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dash Camera brings high-quality recording to capture important driving moments with clarity. Designed for vehicles, this dashboard camera delivers front footage in 4K ultra-high-definition resolution of 3840 by 2160 and rear footage in 2K resolution of 2560 by 1440. With a wide-angle coverage of 150 degrees, it records more of the road, ensuring that nothing important goes unseen. This dash camera is built with an advanced Sony Starvis image sensor that enhances detail during both day and night. Even in dim conditions, the video remains sharp with reduced noise, making it easier to identify surroundings clearly. The reliable video recording ensures peace of mind when driving in different environments. The model THINKWARE TW1000D32CHF also comes with built-in wireless connectivity, allowing simple access through a mobile device. Through THINKWARE Cloud, drivers can use functions like live viewing, geofencing, parking notifications, impact alerts, and vehicle locating with an active hotspot connection. These smart features make monitoring both real-time and stored recordings convenient. Its anti-file corruption technology works to protect saved video files by reducing the risk of errors or damaged data, offering better reliability during long usage. The compact black design mounts securely to the windshield without blocking the view. Whether for daily commuting or long trips, this dual dash camera supports safer and smarter driving by recording high-resolution video at all times. The THINKWARE U1000 is a dependable choice for those who want strong video performance, cloud access, and durable memory protection in one device. It provides drivers with detailed recordings and modern features to keep both front and rear coverage well managed on the road. In our list, the number 2 product name is AZDOME M553 Channel Dash Cam. The AZDOME M553 Channel Dash Camera is built for drivers who want full coverage of their journey with reliable recording quality. It captures the road ahead in 4K resolution, while also recording in 2.5K from the rear and cabin view. With a 150-degree field of view, this camera system ensures wide coverage from multiple directions, making it suitable for cars, trucks, buses, and minivans. Equipped with a Stravis sensor, wide dynamic range technology, and infrared night vision, the dash camera delivers balanced and sharp footage in both daylight and darker conditions. 6 infrared lights allow cabin and rear recordings to remain clear even during night driving. With this, drivers can feel more secure as every detail is recorded with precision regardless of lighting. The built-in wireless connection allows easy transfer of recordings to a smartphone using the AZDOME application. At the same time, the integrated GPS monitors routes and locations, which can be reviewed later through the application or computer player. This makes it convenient for documenting trips, reviewing travel history, or providing supporting evidence if required. Parking protection adds another level of safety with motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse modes. These options make it possible to record incidents around the vehicle even when parked, provided that a hardwire kit is connected. The dash camera also features a G sensor that locks important files during sudden impacts, while loop recording ensures continuous storage management. With a compact black design and magnetic stand mounting, the AZDOME M550 fits seamlessly on the windshield. It comes with a 64GB memory card, rear camera, cabin camera, installation accessories, and user guide. This multi-channel dashboard camera is an effective solution for daily commuting, long-distance travel, and family trips. In our list, the number 3 product name is Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. The Nextbase 622GW dash camera delivers ultra-high-definition recording for drivers who want reliable evidence and premium image clarity on the road. It records in full 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, capturing precise details such as number plates and road signs. For those who prefer different settings, it can also provide 1440 pixel high definition at 60 frames per second and 1080 pixel high definition at 120 frames per second. When paired with a rear module, the system covers both the front in 4K and the rear in 1080 pixel, giving complete protection. With a 140-degree wide field of view, this car camera ensures extensive coverage of surroundings. Built-in image stabilization technology reduces vibrations from the vehicle, producing smoother and clearer results even during bumpy rides. Super slow motion capability makes it easier to review important moments frame by frame. Enhanced night vision performance uses a modern sensor with larger pixels that allow more light capture, producing brighter recordings in low light situations. An extreme weather mode with advanced algorithms even helps improve visibility during foggy conditions, offering a safer driving experience. Another valuable feature is what 3 words integration, which provides accurate global positioning even when offline. This makes it easier for drivers to share exact coordinates in emergencies. The dash camera also comes with Alexa built in, allowing voice control for music, calls, navigation, weather updates, or even managing smart home devices. Wireless connectivity through dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz ensures quick transfer of footage to the My Nextbase Connect application. With its sleek black design and durable build, the Nextbase 622GW is designed to keep journeys secure while offering smart technology support for everyday driving. In our list, the number 4 product name is WOLFBOX 12 4K Rearview Mirror Camera. The WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dash Camera combines advanced technology with practical design to deliver reliable performance for everyday driving. Its large 12-inch display paired with a real 4K front camera and wide dynamic range rear camera produces clear and smooth recordings, allowing easy recognition of road signs, license plates, and surrounding details. The improved low reflectivity screen minimizes glare in bright conditions, while night vision support ensures sharper results after dark. Equipped with modern 5.8 GHz wireless connectivity, this rearview mirror dash cam offers faster and more stable connections compared to traditional networks. Drivers can connect the dash cam to their smartphones for quick access to recordings, real-time playback, and easy file sharing. Intelligent voice control further enhances safety by allowing simple commands to start recording, switch views, or capture images without taking hands off the wheel. The WOLFBOX Dash Cam also integrates loop recording, collision detection through a G sensor, and parking monitoring. In the event of sudden impact, important footage is locked to prevent accidental overwrite. When paired with a compatible hardware kit, the camera can monitor vehicles even when parked, offering continuous protection. This package includes a 64GB card and built-in global positioning system functionality. With the WOLFBOX player, users can review driving speed, location, route, and direction, providing reliable records for both daily use and possible emergencies. The inclusion of essential accessories makes it ready to use immediately without requiring extra purchases. Backed by a 1-year guarantee, regular software upgrades, and 24-hour customer support, the WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dash Cam is designed for long-lasting use. It delivers an effective combination of real 4K quality, stable connectivity, voice control, and dependable safety features for drivers who value both performance and peace of mind. In our list, the number 5 product name is FocuWay Dash Cam. The FocuWay D2 Dual Dash Camera delivers dependable recording quality for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, minivans, sport utility vehicles, and buses. With its 4K ultra-high definition resolution at the front and full high definition at the rear, it ensures smooth playback and clarity for capturing essential road details such as traffic signs and license plates. The wide viewing angle lens increases coverage, allowing a broader perspective of surroundings during every journey. The 3.39-inch screen offers vivid colors and real-time playback while maintaining a compact design that fits neatly inside the vehicle. Intelligent voice control allows drivers to save recordings or manage functions hands-free, creating a safer driving experience. Combined with 5 GHz wireless connectivity, users can preview, download, and share video files easily through the application, while integrated global positioning system tracking records speed, route, and exact coordinates. This dash camera provides around-the-clock monitoring with its collision detection mode and time-lapse recording, making it a valuable option for long-term vehicle safety. Its loop recording ensures storage efficiency by automatically replacing old files with new footage. The built-in G-sensor locks important clips during sudden impact, preventing them from being erased. Enhanced low-light performance is achieved with the advanced Starvis sensor and wide dynamic range or high dynamic range processing, producing sharp recordings even in challenging conditions. The package includes adhesive pads for secure installation along with a memory card for immediate use. With extended service coverage and responsive customer support, the FocuWay D2 Dual Dash Cam offers a balance of high-resolution recording, practical features, and reliable performance suited for drivers who prioritize both security and convenience on the road.